So I saw that I skipped number 5, so I want to go back and hit number 5. It says the pyramid of a moon is a pyramid in Mexico. Each side of the base measures 40 meters, okay, and had an original height of 66, okay. How much treasure could fit inside? So you would do that same volume. It'd be 1/3 big B times H, and then 1/3 your base is 40 times 66. Okay, so a third of 40 is not easy, but a third of 66 is 22. So 22 times 40 times 40. Okay, 40 times 40 is 1600. So times 22. Okay, 1600 times 22. Okay, so I got 35,200, which is answer choice D. So go back and hit that one if you need to, because we did number 9. Okay, we were on number 10 right here. So we were on number 10. It says the pyramid above has a square base with sides of 3 feet. So these little sides right here are 3 feet. And congruent triangular sides. So that means all of the sides are congruent with a height of 4. What is the lateral surface area? Okay, so lateral surface area is going to be all of the triangles added together. So if they have a base times height divided by 2, and then we would get all 4 of them, so we would multiply that by 4. So my base is going to be 3. My height is 4 divided by 2. So 3 times 4 is 12 divided by 2, which is 6. Okay, so that's for 1, but we have 4, so 6 times 4 is 24. So that is the the lateral surface area. The total surface area is going to include that little square at the bottom. So that square is a 3 by 3 square. So it's going to be 3 times 3, which is 9. So we're going to add 24 and 9, and that's going to give us our total surface area. Okay, which is a total surface area of 33. Number 12. The rectangular prism below has 2 bases measuring 2 centimeters by 4 centimeters and sides measuring 4 by 6 and 2 by 6. What is the lateral surface area? Okay, we have to look and we have to break this one down. So the bases are 2 by 4, and it's this smaller, shorter, stubbier side, and these are the longer sides, and those are our lateral. So I'm going to label this as going to be 4 by 6, 4 by 6. And this is our 2 by 6 because they're the longer, skinnier sides. Our lateral surface area is just going to include those bases, so it's not going to include this piece right here. So we don't need this or that. We just need these 4 rectangles. So 2 times 6 is 12 because you find the area of each piece. 4 times 6 is 24. So 12 plus 12 is 24. 24 and 24. So you add all those together, and you're going to get 72. So 72 is letter choice A. Okay, last page. Number 13, the triangular prism has an equilateral triangular base. So that means all these sides are equal, with sides of 4 inches and a height of 4.5. Rectangular sides measuring 4 by 7. What is the total surface area? Okay, so you're going to have to find every piece. So we know this is 4, so this is 4. So all of these are going to be 4 times 7, all of these rectangles. So they would be 28 a piece. So that's going to give us our lateral. But we need to find these 2 these 2 triangles. So 4 times 4.5 divided by 2. Well, I'm going to divide that and get 2 times 4.5. 2 times 4.5 is 9. So each triangle is going to be 9. So you're going to say 28 times 3, because there's 3 of those rectangles, which is 84. And then 9 times 2, which is 18. So 84 plus 18 is 102. And then our last one, number 14. the pyramid shown below is made of 4 congruent equilateral triangles with sides of 6 and heights of 6.7. What is the total surface area? So I've got to find the area of each triangle and then multiply it by 4. Okay, so if my base is going to be 6, my height is going to be 6.7, I'm going to divide that by 2. So I'm going to go ahead and divide 6 by 2 and get 3. 3 times 6.7. 6.7 times 3 is 20.1. So 20.1 for one triangle, but we have 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. So I'm going to multiply that by 4. So I get 80.4, which is letter choice A. Okay, so that should conclude it. If you ever needed to stop, please go back and stop and make sure you have everything written down and taken care of.